right? When your car bumper coming already here, near to this drum, should be not inside, not outside. Okay, you have to stop like that. But the mans actually, when they are using the strike, it's work with them. But for ladies, always when they are going for the exam, they are always hitting the drum. Yeah. When they are on the exam, they saw a lot of the car there for people coming for test. They get check. Hello guys, once again, welcome back with my new video. What's wrong with you, fucking car? Guys, once again, welcome back with my new video. Today guys, I am here between two mountains with my car and drum area. I'm going to give you some trike. This trike I'm giving you, it's by looking from the mirror side, from left to right. Some people, the strikes work with them, some people not. But like I told you before, you need to practice good. At least you need to understand the size between the bumper and your car. Hey guys, so I hope this strike can help you for your exam, but of course you need to practice good before you go exam, and you have to understand this strike very well. Alright guys, so you keep watching this mirror when you're reversing back, and your steering should be straight. Keep going until your bumper car coming near to the drum. See? Right? When your car bumper coming already here, near to this drum, should be not inside, not outside. Okay? You have to stop. And also have to keep a gap between the drum and then your bumper car. Should be I think yeah, should be 2 feet or 1 feet is enough. It's okay also. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's start before dark. Okay. All right, if you want also, before you move, you need to see the view from behind. You can have a look like this. Few seconds. Okay, and then you are going to watch from the small 60 mirror. This one, it's not 60, but it's okay. I'm going back now. My steering straight, right? You need only to move back 3 steps or 4 steps enough. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then turn the steering fully left and keep looking from the mirror, okay, and your steering should be full to the left. Okay, keep going. I'll watch the mirror. I'll watch the drum. I'll go slowly, step by step, like that. Okay. When I reach here, this view like that, should be 1 feet or 2 feet. It's okay also. From here, I can fix my steering straight. Okay. And also I keep looking to this mirror. Should be the bumper near the drum. Okay. until the bumper come in the middle of the drum. Okay, like that. Hello. From this moment, you have to stop. I'm going to show you from outside, okay? Before getting done. So the view, this will be like that. Okay, guys, where is the bumper? In the middle of the drum. That's it, okay. From this moment, what we need to do, we need to turn fully left again, and we keep looking from the mirror side, also left side. Okay? Yalla, let's go. I'll turn my steering fully left and keep holding my steering, okay? Like that. Right. I'll keep moving. I'll keep moving. Okay, I'll keep moving step by step also. Until both sides straight. And then I stop. Alright. Now all the sides from left and right, they're straight. From left side and also from right. Next, my steering straight. Okay? And keep looking again to my mirror. I'll keep looking again to my mirror. I move back step by step. This is from left side, okay? Okay, until the end of the drum. Okay? Now my car's out. Okay, next I'm going to the right side. Okay, the step is very easy. Okay, it's not very difficult for like other people they see it. When you reach to this side, you want to turn. The mirror should be face the drum, and you can turn the steering also fully right, and keep moving. From here, you can fix your steering also before you reach the drum. Okay. Now, I'm going to watch the right side mirror. It's okay if you want to look to the view like that, doesn't matter. But you need to watch this mirror. Okay, I'm going back. 1 or 2 or 3 steps is enough. You can count it by your mind. Okay. 4 steps, it's okay also. And then I will turn my steering fully right and I hold it like this. Okay? And I forget I want to look to the trunk. Okay. I'm going to look to the mirror side from the right. Back. See the view now? It's coming like that. Okay? Until here, you have to stop. Don't go back more, because if you go back, that drum, it will be behind your car. So this size is enough. Next, my steering straight. I go back inside the drum, not inside exactly, in the middle, and I stop. Okay. Until here, I need to stop. I will show you the view from outside also. Okay? Before the dark. Right, my friends, so see the size of the drum from here to here. It's already in the middle, right? There it's okay. I'm going inside again. Okay, before the dark. Let's go. Okay, I keep sorry, and then change my gear, of course, brake. So next, I'll turn my steering fully right, force, and I hold it like this. and I keep looking from the mirror. On the both side coming straight, I have to stop like that. Alright, straight from there, and from here also from the left, straight. Yeah, straight. So what I do next, my steering straight, and I keep going, watching the mirror. Don't watch the mirror from right, from left, it's up to you. Keep going slowly, step by step. Okay, look out, watch out. See now, I'm going out. I'm already out here. What do you think about this track? It's nice, no? It's very easy, yeah, but some people they said, oh, it's very difficult, like that, like that. No, my friends, nothing is difficult in this world. I know you are new, but you can train for the strike. It's work, I know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Keep practicing always, so don't give up until you pass your exam, okay? I hope this video can help you when you are practicing and when you're going for the exam. I hope it's going to help you. Thank you for watching. See you inshallah another video.